Hypothesis testing is a systematic way to take a guess about a population and check it against real data to see if it holds up. At its core, this process is all about validation. It helps us determine if a result is statistically significant or just random noise. You will often see researchers aiming for a 95% confidence level. This threshold helps minimize the chance of accepting a false result. 3 terms define this process: the null hypothesis, the alternative hypothesis, and the p-value, which tells us how likely our results occurred by chance. Think of the null hypothesis as the status quo, while the alternative hypothesis is the new claim you are gathering evidence to support. If your p-value is below 0.05, the result is typically considered statistically significant, allowing you to reject that initial null hypothesis. Remember the golden rule of statistics. Even if your test shows a strong relationship, remember that correlation does not necessarily imply causation. Hypothesis testing turns data into decisions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more breakdowns of complex concepts.